Children, how are you all? Hope everybody are healthy, strong and happy with your family. Welcome to 5th standard. You all have completed your 4th standard and you entered in 5th standard. Okay. So today in this session I would like to tell you very interesting things. Social itself a very interesting subject. Okay, the things which go around you, you are going to learn that, and today in this session you are going to learn few interesting things. Recently we all have completed our summer vacation, yes or no, but something different. Okay, we all might not have went to some of the relatives, or you people didn't go to your grandmother's house due to this COVID-19. You did not travel to anywhere, but if you take the past days, that means your 4th standard, 3rd standard, 2nd standard, every summer vacation, Dasara vacation, holidays, functions, occasions, in all these times you might have traveled to many places. Yes, okay. The first thing is where we are. The question is where we are. That means we are on the earth. We are on the earth. What is earth, children? Earth ante enti? Bhumi. You all know that. Yes or no? What model we can use to show the earth, children? Globe. Globe is a model of the earth. In your 4th standard, you have learnt about globe. Okay. Globe is a model of the earth. What is the shape of the globe? It is spherical in shape. Okay. We all think that it is a round in shape, but it is a little bit spherical. That means, see here the picture, you can see here the globe. Can you see the picture, children? Globe. It is spherical in shape, globe. Okay. Okay. So, on the globe, all the continents, all the oceans are divided. Okay. So, in order to see a particular continent, example, this is a globe. Example, this is a globe. Here you can see India. This is Asia, children, and this is India. For example, if you want to see the back side of this globe, what you should do? You need to rotate it. You need to rotate it. That means in this context, I would like to tell you one important point is you can't see the globe at a time. Whole globe you can't see at a time. Only one half you can see very clearly. The second half, if you want to see, you need to rotate it. Yes or no? We can see some more interesting and very important points in this globe is latitudes and longitudes. In your 4th standard, you already learned about latitudes and longitudes, right? Okay. These latitudes help us to locate a place, and the longitudes help us to tell the time. Okay. And this is another point. Let's talk only about globe. Only you can see one half at a time, but not the other half. Okay. Let's come to the next point. That is map. M-A-P, map. Do you know about map, children? In our 4th standard, we learnt about many maps. India map, world map, Andhra Pradesh map, political map, physical map, thematical map, different types of maps. What is map, children? Map is a flat pictorial representation which we can see the whole map very clearly at a time. How will be the map, children? See, this is a map. See India map here. Totally you can see India at a time. Yes or no? It is a flat representation. You can see all the states, capital cities, the outline, the border countries, okay, here the Indian Ocean, all the things, islands, everything. In a map, we can see a particular place very clearly rather than globe. Okay, rather than globe, on a map, we can see a particular place very clearly. Okay, so, and map can be folded very easily. Can we fold a globe, children? Example, this is a globe. Can we fold it and keep it in our pocket? No, it is impossible. We have to carry with our hand. What about map, children? Can we fold a map? Yes, very easily we can fold a map and keep it in our pocket and travel anywhere. For example, you are traveling to a new place. You are going to a new place. How will you get to know about that place? How will you know the topography of that place? What do you mean by topography? Topography is nothing but the place where it is located, how to go there, the directions, the sub-directions, okay, the way and all, okay. For example, if you are going to a new place, you need to carry a map, not a globe, because globe cannot be folded easily. But map can be folded very easily and keep it in your pocket. So that while traveling in the middle, if you get a doubt, easily we can take out that map, open from your pocket and see where we are going. We can see the directions very easily, whether it is east, west, north or south, and even the sub directions. So here in this session we learnt about globe and map. Globe and map. Globe is only half part of the globe we can see at a time, but the map totally we can see everything very clearly. Okay children, in our next session we are going to learn about the features of globe and features of map, so that you will get to know the differences between it. Okay children, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye my dear lovely kids.